Hey, today I'm going to be talking about recording a video within Edpuzzle. So the first thing I'm going to do is hide all my Screencastify recording stuff. It won't let me take this toolbar away, but it's over there. Just know that that stuff is coming from Screencastify. So now I'm going to click Add Content. And what I'm going to show you is how we record a video within Edpuzzle. Because I think for most people, recording the video in Edpuzzle will totally work for what they want to do. So I'm going to click Record Video. And the microphone, it just defaults to my default microphone, and same thing with the camera. So I can save those, just leave those the way they are. I'm going to click Show Options, and notice you have the option to do a countdown. I like to do a countdown because if I don't, I take a weird amount of time. And recording time. You can also edit your keyboard shortcuts. So one of the things that I have set up is if you scroll down to Edpuzzle, I have it set up to pause recording with Control P. And to end recording with Alt L. So that's just a keystroke that I can remember. They're right next to each other, so it's easy for me to do them, right? So that's how I set them. I can hide these options. So I can do tab, I can do desktop, and I can do camera only. For some reason, my camera doesn't seem to be showing up to it. Well, it might be because I'm already using my camera. But anyway, I'm going to do desktop, and I'm going to click Start Recording. So you have the option to choose a screen, right, that you want to record, or you can just record the whiteboard. So choose a screen. You pick your screen. Maybe you have a PowerPoint or, sorry, a Google slideshow probably. You choose it. You start recording. Okay. I'm just going to click Record Whiteboard because I don't actually have anything set up. And I'm going to click on the screen I want to share and press share. And I get my nice little countdown. And then over here, I have my whiteboard tools. So this is your whiteboard tools. You have the line, you have an arrow, you can change color, although there's no purple. You can undo and you can erase. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to just say 4. Now, if I was doing this, I would probably make it super thick, +4. I am horrible at writing on the whiteboard. I'm actually much better with my mouse at writing here. So just a simple formula or something you want to share, right? You can also do arrows. So if you had something you were trying to point to it, you can do that. That's pretty cool. I don't know how much you would use this stuff. For me, I would probably just have a slideshow that I would be showing, or it would be something on a specific piece of software I was showing. But the whiteboard tools are cool. If you had something specific you wanted to show, you can bring up the tab, be like, hey, I want to show you something on Apex, and you can bring up Apex, right? Or IXL. So these are all things that you could easily record, right? And then when you're done, you hit end recording. And it's easy as that. You have a recording of whatever you did, whatever you talked about on the screen. And the kids are going to see whatever you talked about on the screen. Over here, you can trim. So you can this is where you're going to do all your video editing. And there's not much that you can do. So you can trim video. This really is about cutting how long you want it, right? And I showed that before. You can set so let's say I want to set the one with the number 4 because I'm talking in that one. Select a picture for your thumbnail. It's not letting me. Maybe it just defaults to those. Not that important to me, honestly, what the thumbnail is. And then you can choose who sees it, public or private. I'm going to make it private because this isn't even a real video to share. Okay, and that's really what you have. You can watch your video from here. So that's what this does. You can change the volume in case you can't hear, but this is all just replay. You're seeing what your original video is. So I'm going to click upload video, and then you have the option now to make an Edpuzzle out of it, right? So if you record videos this way, you do indeed need to make them Edpuzzles. You could make it an Edpuzzle and not require them to answer a single question. So you could totally do that if you're just trying to record a video. But here is where you have the option to do the videos. Because this is a video that I recorded and there's no transcript to it, which is what a YouTube video has, that it generates the questions from, it can't generate the questions. This is the reason why I like to put them in YouTube and use the transcript. But you can totally record a video here and click finish, and then you have it available in your content. And they're going to process the video, process your questions, and have it on here. You can also come in here and add it to a playlist. You can unselect it. You can delete. Really? 2 copies of it open? That's funny. You can assign, edit, move the folder, add to playlist, duplicate, unselect, and delete, right? So this is where I would come to delete it, but I could also add it to a playlist and make a playlist with an Edpuzzle of certain videos that I wanted to go together in a list, right? Okay, well, I hope this helps if you're looking to get started in videos. I really advise you, let's start with Edpuzzle and see if you need features that are not within Edpuzzle. Thanks, hope you have a great day.